Yeah, we're looking at the further integration by parts, and we have these following questions for that. So let's look at the first question. Number one, integral of this dx and x dx. Okay, you can call this one. Let's call this our question I. So I is equal to this one. This one. Let's call this one u. U equal to ex. So the u is equal to ex. The v is equal to sin x. So integrate that. So v is equal to what? Minus cos x. So we now have we have I equal to uv, which is equal to minus ex cos x minus integral of v minus cos x. Then this one is the u dx. So the u is what? Ex dx. Okay, so this will be equal to minus e to power x cos x minus times minus, that's plus, that's e to power x cos x integral dx. Okay, so that will call for another integration. So we have now same thing you do. Your u is what? Ex. The u is what? Ex dx. Then the v is what? Cos x. V is what? Integrate both sides. So sin x. Okay. Then we now have uv. So that's e to power I equal to e to power x. No. I will be equal to equation equal to what do we have here? Minus e to power x cos x. Then integral of this one, okay, which will be equal to uv plus uv, that's ex sin x. Okay, that's uv. Then minus integral of v, that's sin x. Then the u is what? Ex dx. Okay, and check very well. This last one, this ex sin x, is same thing as our question. That's same thing as our question. So we're going to have now. This is equal to I. So move to the other side. So becoming 2I. Okay, this is I. That's the question. We give it the symbol I. Let it go to the other side. That's I plus I equal to minus ex cos x. Okay, plus ex sin x. Okay, so my I, that's my question. So I is equal to over 2. That's a half ex cos x, then plus half ex sin x. So that's our answer. We can factorize if we want. We can factorize the minus half ex out. Okay, if you are factorizing minus, then we can have cos x. We can have cos x, and this is minus sin x. So plus c, plus c, plus c. So that's that on the first part. That's that on the first part. Okay, then we go to second question. The only thing for you to identify your u and your sin x. Okay, it's much simpler to use this one for u. It's simpler on differentiation. Okay, so that's that. And actually, both of them are what? Differentiable. Okay, but this will be u. This will be your dv. Next question. let's call integral of this one cos x. It's the same thing what we did now. It's the same thing. Okay, you can call the question I equal to I. Okay, so your u is what? Is this. So the u is what? Dx. If it differentiates your u respect to x, then your dv is cos x dx. This is your, okay, so integrate both sides, then you have sin x. Okay, so uv, that's e to the I equal to e to the power x sin x minus integral of v. My v is what? Sin x times du. My du is what? Ex dx. Okay, then now we'll call for differentiation. You can arrange that if you want to make it so that will be equal to ex sin x dx for the v, for v du. Okay, then the next thing to do now is for us to this also do it again. This will be u is e to the power x, du is equal to what? Ex dx. Then the v is sin x. So integrate both sides. V is equal to what? Minus cos x. Okay. So the next thing to do now, I is equal to ex sin x, then minus. With this minus now, I have to open the brackets. Okay, uv, which will be minus ex cos x, then minus integral of v. So it's having minus, so that will become plus. That's the cos x du. So that's ex cos x dx. I check very well that this one is the same thing as your question, which you call I. Okay, so you can move it to other side. And don't forget, before you move it, I close my bracket that I opened here. Okay, I close my bracket that I opened there. And if this minus comes in, it will become minus. So going to the other side become 2I equal to e to the power x sin x. The minus times minus, that's plus ex cos x. Okay, on the final note, you just divide by 2. Yeah, divide by 2. So your I is equal to what? Your I is equal to ex sin x plus this over 2, half here, then half also here, ex cos x plus c. So plus c. Also here plus c. Plus c. So that's that. That's the question there. Then we'll go to the third part. We'll go to the third part. I equal to e2x sin 3x. That's the integral of that question dx. Okay. So u is equal to e2x. So the u is equal to what? 2 into bracket what? e2x. Okay, dx. Then the v is equal to sine 3x. So integrate both sides. V equal to what? Cos 3x minus 1 over 3. Okay, you divide by the constant attached to the variable. Okay, and sine is minus cos. Integral of sine is minus cos. So let's substitute. So I equal to uv minus 1 over 3 e2x cos 3x. Okay, then minus v, that's 1 over 3 the u. Okay, let's just write it minus 1 over 3 cos 3x times the u, which is 2 e2x dx. So then we can have now minus 1 over 3 e2x cos 3x minus times minus, that's plus. This one will be 2 over 3. 2 over 3 will be outside. 1 over 3 times 2. Then integral of what? e2x cos 3x dx. Okay, so then we have to repeat the process of integration. With the process of integration. Okay, in repeating the process, my u is e2x. So the u is what? 2e2x dx. Okay, then the v is cos 3x. So v is what? Sine 3x. Then you divide by 3. The integral of cosine is sine. Then you divide by that constant attaching to the variable. So that's what we have now. Then the next thing for us to do is to come back here. So I will now be equal to, don't forget what we have here. That's minus 1 over 3 e2x cos 3x plus 2 over 3. Open your brackets. uv will be equal to 1 over 3 e2x e to power, yeah, sine 3x. That's my uv, this one. That's my uv. 1 over 3 sine 3x e2x. Then minus integral of v. v is 1 over 3 sine 3x du. The u is 2. There's no space there. Let me just put it up here. That's 2e 2x dx. Okay, then you can close that bracket there. You can close it there. Okay, so what do we do now? Then what we do now, we continue I equal to minus 1 over 3 e2x cos 3x. Open this one. This will be equal to plus 2 over 6, 2 over 9 e2x sine 3x. And then this one also times this one. That's also 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 times 3, that's 9. That's 1 minus 1 over 2 over 9 also. 2 over 9. We open that integral. There's also 2 here. We have to be very careful here. 1 over 3 times 2. 1 over 3 times 2 times 2. That's 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. That's 4 over 9. So we have a 4 over 9 in that place. So that will be 4 over 9 integral e2x sine 3x dx. Okay, and if you check that, that is the same. This one is the same. This integral here is the same as your question. That's your I. So you can move it to the other side. So that will become I. That will become I. That will become I. That is here plus 4 over 9 I. This is equal to I. Okay, it's the same as the question, which we call the question. We symbolize it as I. Okay, equal to 1 over this e2x cos 3x plus 2 over 9 e2x sine 3x. So if you do this one, this will give you 13 over 9 I equal to what? 13 over 9 equal to minus 1 over 3 e2x cos 3x plus 2 over 9 e2x sine 3x, then plus c. We even had that plus c. So what do we do now? So I will now become, use this inverse of this, which will be 9 over 13 into brackets minus 1 over 3 e2x cos 3x plus 2 over 9 e2x sine 3x plus, you can close that one and put your plus c outside. Plus c. So that's the answer. You can do the analysis If you do the analysis, this will be equal to 9 can goes in, so that will be equal to 1 over 13 here into brackets minus 3 e 2x cos 3x. Okay, 9 also is also coming in here, so it cancel. So we have plus 2 here, plus 2 e2x sine 3x plus 3. So that's that on that question, and that is the end of that. So we can quickly review in a very briefly, in a very brief. Let's review quickly. This is what we have. Okay, this one is u. So the u is what? 2 this. This is the v. Integrate both sides. That will be v. Integral of sine is cos minus cos. Then you divide by that side variable. Let's substitute. If you substitute uv, this will be this times this. Okay, that's correct. Then minus v. This is your v times what? The u. Okay, so with that, minus times minus there, that's plus. 1 over 3 times 2, 2 over 3. Then that's, then you do this one again. Okay, and then your u is what? This. The u is this. Okay, the v is cos 3x. Integrate both sides. V is equal to what? Integral of cos is sine 3x, and then you divide by that constant attaching to the variable. Then you substitute again. You have I. Don't forget you started from here. Okay, that's that. Then plus your 2 or 3 here, 2 or 3 here, and open your brackets and substitute for this. So uv is equal to this one times this one, and that will be equal to 1 over 3 e2x sine 3x. Okay, minus v, integral of v, that's 1 over 3 sine 3x, the u, and the u is what? Times 2 e2x dx. Okay, so then the next thing to do now is to open this one, and that will be equal to 2 times 1, that's 2, 3 times 3, 2 over 9, e2x sine 3x. Here, there is 1 over 3 here, there is 2 here, that's 2 over 3, times 2 over 3, that's 4 over 9, minus over 9 of this. And if you check this one, you realize that this circle here, this one I put in brackets here, is the same thing as the question, so which we use as I. So we are moving into the other side, that will become plus. Okay, and that's all. That's all. So from here, you can stop here because this is 13 over 9. You just want to cancel this 13 over 9 by using the inverse of that fraction, and that's what we did. So now we can allow this line to come in so that this fraction will go, and that's what we did. And that's what we did. So that's that. So please, if you are new on this channel, please hit the notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified. Thank you for that.